Di Bashnyam Bak Penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kamukam College Shnong kekod admission haki degree bat diploma course ban long chef hotelier bat QA ban dep kap menia fila ban call haki niki number.
Komisi benta ke jingre ke ski penne mariang nek World Environment Day. Ka Sorkar jala kal ais ngo bahada ka song pisa ka bamar arpusan hajar shakish potuli kishnong. Kibaran ha ka jali ka Sorchalong. Kiba kentup ya kishnong mission compound jayaw shi abbat lumpelan Cliff Colony jayaw Lansnolin jayaw pedeng Rasam Tia Lumia Blood Waingdo Nongrim Hills bat Rinjak. Kajing ai kuslam kalong halor kajing la jong dorba Shnong bat kinok Shnong ban sumar khu ya ka Shnong ka thau barok koi. Nalor kani ka Sorkar kala ai kuslam ro ye khat sau tuli ki school ki bale khu le suba ye ki saudong saukun jong ka school. Ha ka jing rakhe kani ka ski ka blalong ha ka santri ku juleo arja apsan bala sakhi lang do menteri rangba ka jala usumbut menteri rangba bat ki he officer la penbanaru ye mission clean shillong arja arpnyo. Wan penkeladur yang sor selong kabalai nak jing jabo khnang bagiwa bat kala air ki long ki bkhut kum ko jing penkrea ye national games kaban long house nam arja arpnyo nalor kata la penbanaru ye building a climate resilient green economy kabalong kathong ban penne pensa bat ban penjerngam ya me mariang
personally ka request ng aku more Prime Minister, I need your help. Let us work together. Will bring our state into a greater height. Kani ngila meletang dagang niya lang. Kan mau ke politics kalau tang once in 5 years, ndai mangga kasi. Development is every day. Takat pumunta ngakot ngay werlang lagi brew pa ibang kamtam ni kani kathan jagani. Tong niya don ka jo jingbot. Namar borok-borok niya ang mission. Ka clean mission menuju khot ba nagta kajing pekrai mata ka ba khamado ngamukut banong ni pi. Nak banta jong 2027. How are punya January the government juga state kan host ke national game. Ngam kwa bagi diberi kelan kepercayaan kinuang. Kinyero tangi pelihara ni kai football ni athletics. Kinyero yang kajing coach jongi. Kinyero yang humbleness jongi. Kinyero yang dustur jongi. Kinyero bagi Meghalaya is one of the best city in the country. Kata kajing kwa ada yang Yin kuat bagi perlu negara kelang kepercayaan nasional game bagi wan kinbo dengan negative mindset. Ngaku apa kinong kum kutu Shnong mendon show in hawan biang. Ketarik di kuat di buku Sorkar.
Friends, we are facing a very big challenge. There is no doubt about it. And no matter how much I give a speech today, it's not going to make any difference. If each one of us present out here doesn't ask yourself the question, what am I going to do? Not the question, what can I do, but what am I going to do? And I would really urge, especially our youngsters out here, especially our Rangba Shnongs as well as our heads of institutions, that if there is one thing that you need to ask yourselves, not just on World Environment Day, but every day that you wake up in the morning and while you're praying, the second thing, the thought that should come in your mind is, what can I do today to protect my environment, to protect the trees, the water, to save water, to save even the electricity that we consume. Different aspects of environment today are present in front of us. What is required is a complete mass movement and a public participation to really make that difference. As they say, every drop adds to the ocean. And this statement is even more meaningful when it comes to our environment and to different actions that we can take to protect our environment.